How to enable or disable digital assistant app flash screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, from the settings page, scroll down, then tap on apps. After that, tap on choose default apps and then go down and tap on digital assistant app. In here, go down to the bottom and tap on the flash screen toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now set here with this feature, flash the edges of the screen to let you know when the digital assistant app accesses text from the screen. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.